Hello, wonderful people. I greet all of you. I'm bringing to you Sweden job seeking visa. Sweden what? Job seeking visa. You will be there. You will be traveled there with ease, seeking for job. You will be shouting, give me job, give me job, I need job. You will stay in the country to apply for job. You will stay up till 9 months. When they issue you this visa, you will stay up to 9 months looking for job. When you are able to find one or into one, they will give you resident permit, permanent resident permit. You will be there working, and from there you will bring your family. Is it not very good? The other time we taught you about Germany job seeking visa. It's the same thing, but you have to be a degree holder. Look at the form you have to fill, personal details. When you break into the official website of Sweden, you will gather everything. You will see everything you need to know. No need of asking question or asking of the link. Look at official website. This is the form you are going to fill. Have you seen that? My people, it's very, very easy. When you go there, just browse around. Many people have been doing it and they have been succeeding. My people, I say I will bring this to show you because of the love I have for my people. I meant good for my people. Look at it. Sweden is in Europe, is one of the best country in the world. They have good economy, is in the Scandinavian country. And look at the form. You have to fill many forms, but you have to be graduate or you have to be to hold master degree or any type of degree. Is meant for graduates. It's meant for graduates. And again, you need to have proof of fund to show that you will sponsor yourself throughout the 9 months you will stay to when you are seeking for job. So, dear people, you have to pay for the application fee and the other things. You can do it yourself. No need of looking for agent. My people, stop going to anywhere with visitor visa, hoping that you will not come back. You will suffer. That visitor visa, or call it tourist visa, is not favoring anybody. Rather, you will go there to suffer. Although many used to succeed with it, and many used to suffer with visitor visa. But it's better you go with easy way. The way that you will go, you will feel comfortable. You will not feel fearful. You will not feel worried. When you are there, you will be very, very comfortable because you know what you are going there to do. When you apply with visitor visa, you are going there to spend, and after spending, you come back. Visitor visa is meant for conference or millionaires or those that has made it in life. Look at the official website. You see, Sweden Job Seeker Visa 2023 key requirements. Look at the link. Do you still need the link? You need the link. Later, I'm coming to drop the link, but look at the link, screenshot it, and later you put it in your browser and browse around. You will see all what you need to know about Sweden job seeking visa. The other time we did about Germany, and Mazi Chinedu is handling it, and he is guiding, and is applying for many people. It's the same thing with Sweden. Sweden is a good country. So it's a dream country of many people, but the official language is Swedish. They don't speak English, but English is their second language. They are learning English as you are learning also. So you are going to survive when you go there. You are going to succeed when you go there. Likewise, Finland. They are all in Europe and they are all good country. We are not going to bring any country, any no nonsense country which we don't understand. We are not going to bring it and say and ask our people to start going there. No way. We meant good for our people. We want them to succeed. We want our people to be happy. We want everybody to have a good life. Go there and see greener pasture, my people. You see what we are bringing to you. All you need to know about traveling. Anyone you see, apply. If you can apply, apply. The one that first came out, you follow that pathway. You follow the way. You cannot stay one place and be watching masquerade. Our people say that ịghara na ofu ebe na-ekili mmọnwụ. Ị ga na-agagharị agagharị. Ya bụ nke pụta na tinye, nke pụta na tinye. You will be there seeking for job. You see their website. Looking for work or start business. You can start business in Sweden. If you know how to do business, those Arabo people, they know how to do business. They know what people want. They will start the business there, and the business will be flourishing. So never you be afraid to travel or you say, I don't know anybody there, I don't know. You are a man. A man know how to hustle. Many men has left and they don't know anybody. And they are there surviving, succeeding. Why are you afraid? Why are you panicking? You don't need to panic. This is a country of fellow human being like you. Only color is different, but they are human being like you. So you don't need to be afraid. So, my dear people, I'm bringing to you this Obonga update so that you take the information and utilize it. Please, my people, I'm not agent, I'm not employer, but I'm just giving information. Any information that I see that our people will benefit from it, I will bring it out. No need of coming to my inbox to tell me, please explain it better. Do you know this? Do you know this? Bring the link, help me, or this and that. I'm bringing all I know. This is what I will tell you if you come to my inbox or when you come to my WhatsApp. No need of asking WhatsApp or inboxing me or DMing me. Please, my people, take this information and work with it. You will see the effect. You will succeed. You will survive. You will see the good outcome of it. This information is verified information. So, when you are applying, make sure that you are a graduate. Make sure that you have good source of income. You have saved enough to show them proof of fund. You will show them proof of fund. If you don't show them proof of fund that you can take care of yourself when you are there, they are going to deny you. You can apply this thing by yourself. When you click this link I will give you, you browse through it, reach to the bottom of it, you will see where they will tell you apply. But before applying, read very well. Thank you, my people. Share our video. Bye.